Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to bulk edit in Jira. So first go to your project where you want to bulk edit, go to list and then simply select all of the items that you want to edit. If you want to select all of them, just simply click on this one square and we'll select all of them. Now select edit and here simply change your assignee, let's say, change your due date, labels and priorities. Now click on next and here you can send a mail for these updates if you want and then press confirm. Now this will bulk edit all of these items. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.